Hi, my name is Liam Bray. I am studying architectural engineering at the University of Waterloo, and for this co-op term, I am working at the STEAM project. My favorite project this semester would have to be this cardboard castle that I designed here and assembled. All the pieces are cardboard except for some wooden pieces in the back, and of course the portcullis can be moved up and down using this winch here. I was inspired by real-life historical castles, specifically Windsor Castle in England. It has octagonal towers, just like this gatehouse does as well. And then from there, I just took what I knew about medieval castles and built my own design. So it started off with some sketches on paper. Then from there, I went to AutoCAD to make some rough drafts, and I laser cut those pieces on the laser cutter and assembled them, and things that didn't fit together or things that looked bad, mostly it was issues with pieces fitting together, I simply redesigned them and printed them again. And I think I went through 2 prototypes after I arrived at a working one like this. I think the largest challenge was trying to get the pieces of cardboard to fit together snugly without any, make it fit perfectly together, so it didn't require any glue, but it still wasn't loose. And it took a lot of fine-tuning for sure, mostly just fine-tuning.
Super cool. Did you look into real portcullis mechanisms to see how they worked?
I did, and they are very simple. I expected something more complex, but really it's just one of these.
That's so cool.
Yeah.
I love all the little rooms in here.
Yeah, I made it so kids could put Lego figures inside if they wanted to.